Hey guys, if you want to grow your garment business, then this is the right video that you can grow your garment business with AJMERA Fashion. AJMERA Fashion is a garment manufacturing company located in Surat, Gujarat. So watch this video till then so that you know how to grow your garment business with AJMERA Fashion.
Some of our customer has a problem that they are not able to do their business properly. They are facing some problems, they are lacking somewhere, but they don't know where. So this video is for you. If you want to start a cloth business, you want to invest in the textile industry, so you can subscribe to our channel and you can press that bell icon also. So what is the topic of today's video? So how to grow a business, and for that business, what is the key, what is the formula to grow? So let's get started to the video. So first point will be the taste. Taste in the sense, if you are living in India, you are living in Gujarat. So Gujarat's people who are living in Gujarat, they have different choices, they have different taste. And similar, you will go to the North India, they also have a taste, they also has a different choice. And you will go to the North India, the same problem you will face. So taste is very important. You want to start a business, a clothes business. So what is the area? Where are you going to start your business? You are going to start it in north side, in the south side, or in the middle India side. So that's how you will get to know which kind of variety you should maintain to your shop. You have to learn that what is the choice of your consumer, the area you are living in, the state you are living in, because India is full of culture. We have different culture. We have South Indian people, they celebrate different kind of culture. Everywhere is culture. So according to that culture, we have different varieties. If you will go to the North India side, there you can see people are wearing something else. You will go to the south side, they are wearing sarees, and saree wrapping is also different. You will go to the Maharashtra, Gujarat or Rajasthan, there people like to wear lehengas. So this is how you can choose the taste of your customer, and you don't have much knowledge about which kind of varieties we should maintain. So you don't need to take worry about all of that, because you can join us. Our online sales executive and offline sales executive has all the knowledge about Indian taste, which area has which kind of taste. We will definitely share all of these things to you. If you want to start your business, you can join us and start your business with us. So next point is really important point, and that is relationship with your customer. The most important thing is CRM, customer relationship management. How you manage your customers' relationship. If you will be a rude person in front of them, it won't work. You have to be polite. You want to sell your things, you have to sell your products to your customer. If you want to know which kind of your customer is, just take their contact numbers, take their address, and wish them on their birthdays, on special occasions, on festivals. You can update them to your new stock. Give update all of these things on social media to all of them. You can use Insta, you can use WhatsApp, Facebook to share your things to tell your customer, and your behavior is really good in front of them. Your quality is good, your fabric is good, your price range is good. So definitely your customer will join you and they will work with you. The next point is really very important, and that is, some people think that they just not think, they overthink everything. They just think about, if it doesn't work, what will happen? What if I will fail in this business? What if this happen? What if that happen? Don't think too much, because what happens, this is human mentality. We think too much and then we do everything. So want to do something, you want to do business, not just a clothes business, anything in your life. Just don't think, you are finding something that you are interested in, just go for it and do it. So this is how this industry is working. What you have to do, just be yourself. you are working with yourself. Don't think about failure. Just be positive and be polite to your customer. Keep good stock to you and keep your range low. That is the only key to grow your business. Sometimes what happens, if you are keeping some stock to your in your shop, okay, so there is one sari which is really beautiful, there is one kurti that is okay, you are not much liking that, and there is one lehenga that is very pretty. So what you will do, you will add 50% margin in lehenga, you will add 60% margin in that sari, that heavy sari, and you will add only 10% margin in that kurti. So no, you can't do business like this. You just have to fix a margin. You just want to add 10% margin, you want to add 20% margin, you want to add 30% margin. So be faithful with you, with yourself, and to your customer also. Just not just think about you, but about also your customer. So your customer will be come again to your shop, and that is the only thing what you want, the only thing which will grow in your life, that is the reputation of your customer. Next point is a new stock before a festive season, because India is full of festival. India has different festivals, they have different occasions, marriage functions, and different festivals also. Before this festive season, just choose a date and fill your old stock, okay, and in that stock you can keep a sale, something like that. So that is the thing which will help you to grow. And in the last, I just want to tell you one thing, that you want to do this cloth business, and for this business you don't need a certain qualification. You know how to speak, you know how to count a notes, how to speak with someone, how to convince the person. That's it. The only thing we need, that is your communication. If you are good at it, you can do this business. You are doing a job, you want to do a part-time business of clothes, you can, and that is not possible for you. What you can do, you have a mother, a sister, a wife, you can take help of them. Just open this business for all of these ladies and tell them that do this, and that business is going to grow. You can switch full time on that business. I hope you liked our video. If you like, please like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.